All right, Miss Christine here with another short video tutorial. Before we get started with our lesson, I want to make sure we review a few important topics. So just as a reminder, a quarter note, which is right here, you have a stem and a note head that's filled in. That's what a quarter note looks like. The quarter note gets 1 count. Then we have the half note that gets 2 counts. It also has a stem, but the note head is not filled in. If you hear me say 1 count or 1 beat, don't get confused. It means the same thing. Here we have a quarter rest. A quarter rest gets 1 count, but more importantly, it's a 1 count of silence, okay, because it is a rest. And then we have the quarter rest that gets 2 counts, 2 counts of silence. So don't get confused and think that you should be playing when you are resting. Just as important, the lines that separate groups of notes are called bar lines, okay? So I'm sure you know that, but it's worth reviewing. Okay, let's move over to our lesson. Today, we are going to talk a little bit about Go Tell Aunt Rhody so that you know what you should be practicing at home. So once again, we are working with 3 black keys. So our right hand is here, finger 4, 3, and 2. And our left hand is here, fingers 2, 3, and 4. This is your hand position, okay, right there. So let's work with the right hand only. Here's the right hand, all right. 1, 2, follow me. Go tell Aunt Rhody. Good. Go tell Aunt Rhody. That's how the right hand is played. Okay, let's go to the left hand. Here we go. 1, 2, follow me. Go tell Aunt Rhody the old gray goose is dead. And you hold that for 4 counts, all right? That's how the left hand is played. Now let's put both hands together. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, follow me. Go tell Aunt Rhody. Good. Go tell Aunt Rhody. Left hand. Go tell Aunt Rhody the old gray goose is dead. 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. So I want you to practice that, and I'll see you in the classroom. Keep up the excellent work.